Okay, so we're going to take a look at this multiplication number story, which is what we're going to do in class today and also for homework. So this says that Ben has 6 cartons of eggs with Ninjago painted on them. Okay, there are 7 eggs in each carton. How many eggs in all? So we need to come up with a number model. We need to know what the answer is in the units. And we have this boxes down here that can help us. So I'm going to fill in the information I know first. Cartons. There are 6 cartons. So I'm going to write a 6 right down here. And eggs per carton, well, this says there are 7 eggs in each carton. 7. So how many eggs in all? That's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, you can put a question mark there, or you can just wait and get the answer, and then put the answer in there. Okay? So now, I have to think about how am I going to do this? Well, there are lots of different ways you can solve this problem. Okay? This is actually a multiplication problem. All right, and what you would do is you would say this number multiplied by or times this number, so you could even know that that looks like there's an x in there, equals this number. Okay, and remember yesterday you learned that 6 times 7 is not the same thing as 6 plus 7. Right? You can't just do, 6 plus 7 is 13. There must be 13 eggs. No. You need either 6 sevens or 7 sixes in order to figure out the answer to this problem. This problem is telling you that there are 6 sevens. Okay? But it doesn't really matter which one you do. Alright? So you can choose to do 6 sevens or 7 sixes. Okay? And if you do that, I'm just going to write it down the side. Let's do 7 sixes. I'm going to do 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. Okay, so I've got 7 of those 6s. I can add them up. Okay, and you can count by 6s. You could go 6, 12, 18. All right, and this is why it's important to know your 6s, okay, which you haven't had to learn yet. But this is why it's important, because I could go, 6 times 3 is 18. And you would know that was 18 right off the top of your head. Otherwise, you can just add them together. You can go 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42.
Yes.
Okay, so that's one way to do it. The answer is 42, actually. So I'm going to put that right there for the answer. The number model is just right here. 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay, how many eggs in all? You can put 42 down here. And the unit is in eggs. It's not cartons. It's not Ninjagos. It's eggs. Okay, 42 eggs. And there's, like I said, we added these up. We could have also added 7 sixes, 6 sevens. Could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sevens. And I would still get 42. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21. Okay, that's going to give me 21. And that means these 3 sevens will give me 21. 21 plus 21 is going to be 42. Okay, if you're the kind of person who likes to draw a picture, you can, instead of adding all these up like this, you could make dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and you could do 7 rows of 6, like that. And then you could count up how many dots there are in the end. Okay, and there's 4, let's see, there's 4 rows of 6, and 5 rows of 6, and 6 rows of 6. And I can tell you, if you count up all these dots, there's going to be 42 dots. Okay, so that is how to do multiplication, work on a multiplication number story.